Ever wonder if your cat knows it's them in the mirror? Probably not. But don't take it personally. Very few animals pass what's called the mirror test. When scientists put a mark on an animal's face and show them a mirror, only a handful, like dolphins, elephants, and magpies, realize it's their reflection. Cats? They fail it. They don't think, that's me. They think, that's another cat, and it's acting weird. So why do some cats stare, hiss, or run? Because to them, it's a silent stranger that never leaves. Eventually, they just stop caring. The mirror stops reacting, so it's boring. They might not recognize their reflection, but they definitely recognize you.